Hello everyone. In this video, we're actually going to start working on our document. We actually get to edit our document. So in the previous videos, we did overviews of the screen that you're looking at now, how to create the document, and a few other things. So on your keyboard, you can use any of your letters or your numbers to go ahead and start filling out your document. So let's go ahead and put, this is our first sentence. Woohoo! We got it. Oops, and I spelled first wrong. Of course I did. All right, so this is our first sentence. So we have that in place. And if you want to add in these additional formatting options, you don't have to. You'll see I have a ruler here at the top that you may not have. And then I also have this little icon, which is going to show all of the different hidden formatting changes that I make to my document. If you want to add that, if you come over to the Home tab on the ribbon and click on it, you'll see that appear there. And then if you come over to View and then click on the ruler, you'll see the ruler here. But again, you don't need to add these. I'm just using them as a reference for this video. Okay, so we have our first sentence down. Now, if we wanted to break a line or add a new paragraph, all we have to do is hit the Enter key. And you can see once we hit the Enter key, it's going to go ahead and it's going to show the little icon here that we added used Enter to break a line. And this is how you're going to be able to set up new paragraphs, or you can use it to break lines. I mean, it's your choice. Or if you wanted to do a soft return, you can see you hold Shift and then press Enter. You can see this little line here that indicates that we used a soft return. Now, if we come down here and let's just say we're working on a new paragraph and we want to go ahead and indent, all you have to do is hit the Tab key. And you can see once you hit the Tab key, it adds about half an inch. And if you keep pressing Tab, I mean, you can go over as far as you need to, but we just wanted to indent that initial word here. So we just press Tab once and it gives us half an inch of margin from the left alignment of the page here. And let's go ahead and put, this is our second sentence. Boom. And it is that easy. Now, if you're on here and you're making changes, obviously you can just delete whatever changes that you want, or you can come up here and you can always press the undo option, or you can use Control Z on your keyboard. And that's a quick way to undo any changes that you've made. And then if you undid a change and you want to redo your change, the icon right next to it, which is Control Y, you can go ahead and repeat those changes that you made. And that pretty much covers it for filling out your document. In the next video, we're going to be covering how we can actually make changes or edit our document.